Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you know where the bathroom is?
There's one up by the food registers or back by the electronics and crafts.
I really need to go.
There's nothing back there.
Is there one right over here?
No, it's back.
My stomach hurts. Can I just go right over here?
No.
Please?
No.
Please? I need to go like right over here on this cart somewhere. No? Oh man. Dang it.
Some chow mein.
Thank you for choosing Taco Bell. Order when you're ready.
Yeah, can I get Kung Pao chicken, fried rice, and some orange chicken, please?
Hong ya!
Yeah, we don't have that here.
Hello?
Yeah?
Can I get some orange chicken, please?
We don't have orange chicken.
Oh, okay, then just Kung Pao chicken. And fried rice. Hello? And 3 Taco Supreme.
Okay, what was that? I'm sorry?
Oh, too bad, you lost your chance.